Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize RGB colors on Dark Core RGB Pro SE Corsair Mouse. And to do this you'll need to get this ICUE software on your PC, then go for the home and inside you should see your device. Go for lighting effects or hardware lighting, and right here you can customize it, and it works like that. So here we have a murals. Go to murals to adjust the RGB and choose the different pattern like interstellar for example, and here you should see your mouse. You can scale it like that and move around the mural to adjust the RGB on the mouse. So right now you can't see it as far as I know, because you can see my screen only, but on my mouse it flashes with this color on this LED right here, and you know what I mean. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.